Hey there, cosmic explorers. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the mysteries of the universe. Today we're tackling the top 5 big daddies of Enigma. But fear not, we're not going into a deep, dark abyss. So buckle up, grab some popcorn, and let's get started. Number 5, black holes. All right, before we get into the science stuff, let's set the scene. Picture this, a cosmic vacuum cleaner so powerful that even your mom would be impressed. Yes, we're talking about black holes. They're like the ultimate hiding spot for the universe. It's the place where everything from space debris to that sock you lost in the laundry vanishes forever. So, what exactly is a black hole? Well, imagine a massive star that ran out of fuel and went on a diet of cosmic proportions. It collapses under its own weight and voila, you have a black hole. A celestial object so dense and compact that it warps the very fabric of space and time. Talk about being heavy. Now don't get too close to a black hole. Trust me, it's not the kind of vacuum you want to clean your room with. Once you cross the event horizon, the point of no return, you're in for a wild ride. The gravitational pull is so strong that it can stretch you like a piece of cosmic spaghetti, or as we like to call it, spaghettification. But don't worry, folks, that's just theoretical for now. We don't have any volunteers for that particular experiment, yet. Now, I know you're thinking, but how do we know these things exist? Well, it's all thanks to the incredible minds of scientists and their super-duper telescopes. They've spotted some mind-boggling things like stars orbiting an invisible point in space. It's like watching a cosmic game of Marco Polo, but without the actual polo. Oh, and did I mention that black holes can do a bit of magic too? They can warp light itself, bending it around them like a cosmic lens. If Albert Einstein were here, he'd probably say, that's one heck of a party trick. To sum it up, black holes are like the mysterious and misunderstood bad boys of the universe. They're heavyweights that mess with space, time, and light itself. So the next time you lose your keys, just blame it on the black hole. I'm sure it's having a good laugh. Number 4, the Fermi paradox. So let's break it down in the simplest way possible. The Fermi paradox asks, where the heck are all the aliens? Seriously, the universe is so vast and has been around for like 13.8 billion years, and yet we haven't received a single intergalactic text message or beam me up Scotty kind of situation. What's the deal? To make sense of this puzzling predicament, let's explore some possible explanations. Ready? Theory number 1, the intergalactic hide-and-seek theory. You see, maybe those aliens are just incredibly good at hiding. They're like the universe's grandmasters of camouflage. They could be chilling out in a parallel dimension or hiding behind cosmic couches, snickering at our attempts to find them. Now, let's move on to theory number 2, the cosmic road trip theory. Picture this. Aliens are busy exploring the vast universe, stopping by Milky Way rest stops to grab a cosmic snack or check out a breathtaking nebula. They're just cruising through the cosmos, forgetting to drop us a postcard. I mean, who wouldn't be tempted to visit the alien version of the Great Wall of China or the Eiffel Tower of Andromeda? Those are must-see attractions, but hold your space horses because theory number 3 is a wild one, the intergalactic reality show theory. What if we are nothing more than a cosmic sitcom for those advanced extraterrestrial beings? They're probably sitting on their super-advanced sofas, munching on space popcorn and watching us trip over our own feet while they laugh their antennas off. The Fermi paradox is a fascinating topic that raises important questions about our place in the universe. There are countless other theories out there, from the possibility of advanced alien civilizations going extinct to the idea that we're just not looking in the right places. Whether you believe in aliens or not, the Fermi paradox reminds us of the vastness and wonder of the cosmos. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll stumble upon evidence of extraterrestrial life. Number 3, the origin of the universe. Picture this, folks. Billions and billions of years ago, the entire universe was compressed into an insanely tiny, dense and hot singularity. It's like a cosmic traffic jam, but with way more energy than your morning commute. Basically, the universe was playing an intergalactic game of Twister. Now imagine this singularity spontaneously decides to go all Hollywood and explode in the most spectacular way possible. Kaboom! In the blink of an eye, the singularity goes poof, releasing an enormous amount of energy and matter into the vast emptiness of space. It's like a fireworks show of cosmic proportions, and the universe starts to expand faster than your waistline during the holidays. It It's like the universe had a growth spurt and it just kept going. Now imagine the universe is a cosmic cake, and all the ingredients are floating around after the Big Bang. We've got protons, neutrons, and electrons, like a science-themed cooking show gone wild. After the Big Bang, the universe enters its awkward teenage phase. Clumps of matter start to come together due to gravity, forming galaxies, stars, and planets. It's like a cosmic coming-of-age story. Even the universe had its own version of acne and teenage angst. The universe was a moody teenager going through some serious changes. Billions of years later, we're still unraveling the mysteries of our incredible universe. Will it keep expanding forever or collapse on itself like a souffle that went wrong? Only time will tell. The universe is just like all of us, trying to figure itself out, one cosmic punchline at a time. Number 2, dark energy. Okay, space cadets, first things first. Picture the universe as a cosmic stage where galaxies perform an eternal dance routine. But wait, who's the choreographer? Enter dark energy. Dark energy is like that bossy dance instructor who shouts, "Keep moving, you celestial divas." It's the invisible force driving the universe's accelerated expansion. It's like a cosmic treadmill on overdrive, making galaxies spread out faster than pizza at an all-you-can-eat buffet. You know, the universe is a pretty big deal, but even the biggest celebrities need a makeover from time to time. Enter dark energy, our universe's personal fashion stylist. Dark energy likes to dress up space in a fashionable way. It expands the universe, making it bigger and grander, just like these fabulous cosmic extensions. But here's the kicker. The more space dark energy creates, the more of itself it generates. It's like a never-ending cosmic party, and dark energy is the life of the bash. Now here's where things get tricky. Dark energy is invisible, like that mischievous friend who loves playing hide-and-seek but always cheats. Scientists can't directly observe dark energy, but they can feel its effects. It's like finding fingerprints at a crime scene, except the fingerprints are invisible and super sneaky. Dark energy is a real enigma, folks. It's the answer to one of the universe's biggest questions. Why is it expanding faster and faster? Scientists scratch their heads trying to figure it out, just like solving a Rubik's Cube with their eyes closed. But hey, that's the beauty of science. It's like watching a magician perform. You have no clue how they do it, but it's still fun to watch. Dark energy is a real cosmic Jedi, except it doesn't fight the Sith. It battles gravity. It's like a never-ending tug-of-war in space, and guess what? Dark energy is winning. This unseen force is so powerful that it's pushing galaxies apart faster than fans scrambling to buy tickets for the latest Star Wars movie. So there you have it, folks. Dark energy might be mysterious, but it adds a touch of cosmic comedy to our universe. Number 1, dark matter. Picture this, you're throwing a grand cosmic party in space. The stars are twinkling, the galaxies are swirling, and everything seems perfect. But there's a sneaky gatecrasher that goes unnoticed. It's like that one guy who shows up uninvited and eats all the snacks, only this time it's not a guy. It's dark matter. So, what exactly is dark matter? Well, imagine you're in a room filled with partygoers. You can see them all, sparkly stars, dancing asteroids, and glamorous galaxies. But what you can't see are those shy, invisible guests lurking in the shadows. That's dark matter for you. Here's where things get a bit heavy, and I don't mean emotionally heavy like when you run out of cake at a party. Dark matter is actually responsible for most of the mass in the universe. It's like the invisible heavyweight champion who doesn't even show up on the scale. Now the big question is, how do scientists even know dark matter exists if it's so darn sneaky? Well, they're like cosmic detectives putting together clues left behind by dark matter. They observe how galaxies move and how light bends, like Sherlock Holmes with a telescope. Hold on to your cosmic hats, because here comes another fun fact. Scientists think dark matter is made up of WIMPs, weakly interacting massive particles. These particles rarely interact with light or other matter, making them the ultimate party ninjas. Dark matter might sound mysterious and cool, but it has a dark side. Its invisibility makes it tricky to study, like trying to study for an exam with invisible textbooks. But fear not, because scientists are on the case devising experiments to unravel the secrets of dark matter. Well, space explorers, that wraps up our journey into the enigmatic world of dark matter. We've learned that dark matter is like the life of the cosmic party, invisible yet essential. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember that there's a hidden universe out there. Dark matter, the ultimate stealthy gatecrasher. Thank you for joining us today in our quest for cosmic knowledge. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-boggling fun. Until next time, keep exploring.